So in this video, we're going to discuss the Cryptex compensation plan and how you can create massive wealth and leverage by introducing Cryptex to others. We'll discuss referral rewards and understanding the three aspects of the referral compensation. So there are three ways to earn. One, direct commissions. These are commissions that are available instantly. Two, daily profit sharing. This is staking rewards from your referrals that are available at the end of the contract period. And three, leader commissions. Here you can see all three at a glance. Starting with direct commissions, when someone activates a 3 or 5 year contract, you earn through 10 levels below you. You see the earning percentages next to each level. So for instance, when a directly referred person activates a contract, the direct commission is 30%. That is $30 per contract. Here is an example of direct commissions. Consider if just one person activates 20 contracts, the commission is $600. Now that's just one person with 20 contracts. What if you referred 5 people a week who did that? As you can see, it's very lucrative. Now on the right side of the screen, you can see an image of an account that was started just 2 months ago, and it's earned over $20,000 in withdrawable commission. The second way to earn in the compensation plan is daily profit sharing. This is paid on levels 1 through 20. That's 63% in total. Now you receive rewards from your downline's daily profit share, also paid to you daily, accumulated and paid out at the end of their contract, in the same way that you're paid out at the end of your contract. An example of this is if you have just one referral who activates 15 contracts, your payout from that one person, calculated after 3 years, averages $40,000 on level 1, $25,000 on level 2, $25,000 on level 3, and this continues down through 20 levels. The image on the right shows one account with rewards accumulating before contract completion, and the other image shows an account with available rewards after contract completion. It's easy to forget just how powerful this part of the compensation plan is. So study this slide or take a screenshot of it so you understand the massive value of every single person that you share this with who activates a contract. And the third way to earn in the compensation plan is the leader bonus. This is very achievable and a worthwhile goal for everyone to strive for. There are 3 qualifications. 1, have 100 directly sponsored people in your first line who have at least one $100 contract. 2, a total of 100,000 in team volume in your entire team, or 1,000 contracts. Now, when these first 2 qualifications are achieved, you immediately receive a $5,000 bonus. That's 5% of 1,000 contracts paid out to you retroactively. Now, this part is very, very powerful. The third qualification after you've met the first 2 is to have 100 new contracts each month from your first or second level. Now, here's the best part. You are paid an additional 5% every single month on all the contracts in your downline to infinity. That's $5 per contract on top of all your other commissions. Now, to continue receiving that 5% on all new contracts through infinity is to simply have 100 new contracts each month. This can come from your first level, which is your directly sponsored members, and your second level. The leader bonus part of the compensation plan is paid out every single month. So as an example, by maintaining 100 contracts, you'll be paid 100% of all the contracts in your entire downline through infinity. If you got 50 new contracts instead of 100, you still qualify and are paid 50% of all the new contracts in your entire downline, so you always win. In the image on the right, you can see an example of a leader bonus award immediately received when reaching the qualifications. There's something important to keep in mind about this particular part of the leader bonus is that these new contracts that come into your downline are paid out to you every single month. I hope you can see how powerful that is. Now this is interesting. For every $100 contract purchased, More than 140 is immediately paid out in commissions. This is ongoing since the inception of Cryptex. Now, if the profits were not genuine, this would simply not be mathematically sustainable. So how is that possible? How can Cryptex pay out above and beyond the $100 handling fee charged? Well, let's take a look at the numbers on this slide. Cryptex earns on 36 and 60-month contracts $30 per month. That's a total of $1,080. The bank, on just one contract, earns a total of $6,123 over a 3-year period. On a 60-month contract, they earn $11,880. Now, the insurance company on the same 36-month contract earns a total of $210 per month, totaling $7,560 over the life of a 36-month contract. With a 60-month contract, the insurance company earns a total of $300 per month, which is $18,000 in total over the life of a 60-month contract. Now, just imagine you have 15 contracts. The insurance company alone over 36 months would earn $113,400, and over 60 months, $270,000. So this shows how Cryptex is able to pay out above and beyond the $100 handling fee. Thank you for viewing this short Cryptex compensation plan, and please get back to the person who invited you to take a look.